Now in the minor arcana, we've got like 4 suits: the wands, cups, swords and pentacles. Now the aces that you see, they all represent number 1, and number 1 is ruled by the sun. It suggests new beginnings, opportunities, new hopes, new wishes, new desires. So it is the start of something new. It has a lot of potential. It is all about optimism as well. Now the wands represents the fire element. So when you combine the element of fire, it is your passion, it is your energy. So it could also be that, it is some new enthusiastic venture that you're starting out. So it is that potential that you have which needs to come to fruition, which you need to still explore. So it is your inner drive. It is maybe also, a strong determination to start a new business or to start a new job. Now the cups represents the water element. Now water is all about, emotions. It is your feelings, your wishes. So they're all these softer aspects. Now when you combine it with the ace, it signifies the start of a new relationship. It could also be your intuition. It is telling you to, nudge into your intuition or your intuitive powers as well. It is also to do with pregnancy, creativity. So these are the aspects that are denoted by the Ace of Cups. Now the swords represents the air element. And what is it? It is all about your intellect, your decision making skills, the clarity of your thoughts. So these are the kind of aspects that you can expect from the swords suit. And it can also be a new idea that you're coming through. It is also telling you to cut the confusion through the sword. So the sword is telling you to cut through all the doubts and illusions, confusions that you have. It is also nudging you to become a little more decisive, take a strong decision as well. Now the pentacles represents the earth element. It is all about stability, about your finances, practicality. It is also a start of a new inflow of money or maybe a new property. It can also be the start of a new job with potential to bring in, generate new income for you. A new study course can also be denoted. So this study which is actually going to fetch you more benefits in terms of cash, in terms of money. So it is going to get you maybe into a new career which is getting you the money into it. Now in a major arcana, we see that the magician, the wheel of fortune, which is the number 10, which is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and the sun, which is 19. So 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, which again reduces to 1. So these are the cards which are denoted by the number 1. Now the magician feels that, he has all the potential in the world. So it is a card of manifestation. And he is here to, actually, put his mind into achieving everything that he wants. So it's a very strong and a very, very positive card. And he is using his manifestation for a new journey, to begin a new start. Now all the elements, the cups, the swords, the pentacles, the wands, they are there at his table. So that means that, he has all the potential, he has all the resources within him to create whatever he desires. Now the wheel of fortune signals the beginning of a new cycle. It is possibly even a karmic cycle. Now whether this cycle is going to be good, whether the cycle is going to be bad, it is all going to depend on the supporting cards.